Keep your synthetic lawn looking pristine with ease. The best artificial turf vacuum efficiently removes debris, pet hair, and leaves without damaging the surface. Ideal for low-maintenance landscaping, it's a must-have tool for anyone with artificial grass at home. Number 1. RGS Green Sweep V2. The RGS Green Sweep V2 is a powerhouse artificial turf vacuum designed to bring life back to your synthetic lawn with minimal effort. Its standout feature is the 1600-watt electric motor that powers a high-speed 4,000 RPM spinning brush roller. This combination ensures it not only clears away leaves, twigs, and general debris, but also plumps up matted and flattened turf fibers. The result is a clean, full-looking lawn that feels freshly groomed underfoot. Whether you're tackling routine upkeep or preparing for guests, the Green Sweep makes artificial lawn maintenance faster and easier. What sets this unit apart is its generous 10.5-gallon collection bag, which minimizes the need to constantly stop and empty debris. The adjustable height feature also lets you fine-tune the brush depth from 0 to 10 millimeters, allowing for a customized clean based on your turf type and condition. Simply plug it in, slide the lever to adjust the brush, and flip the switch. The Green Sweep does the rest, propelling itself forward while it cleans. Built with a clear focus on convenience and performance, this sweeper helps homeowners avoid the hassle of manual raking or using less effective blowers. Its ergonomic design and powerful performance make it suitable for large artificial lawns or those with lots of trees and foot traffic. The fact that it restores the freshly installed look of synthetic turf while collecting debris in one go makes it an efficient all-in-one maintenance tool. If you've been searching for a turf vacuum that reduces time, effort, and physical strain, the RGS Green Sweep V2 is a top-tier choice. It's purpose-built, durable, and easy to use, helping you keep your outdoor spaces pristine and presentable year-round. Overall, this is a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining the appearance and health of their artificial grass with minimal hassle. Number 2. Roll Artificial Turf Vacuum. The Roll Artificial Turf Vacuum is a reliable and well-designed turf maintenance tool that excels at keeping synthetic lawns clean and looking their best. Tailored for homeowners who want a simple and effective solution to artificial turf care, this electric sweeper combines brushing, vacuuming, and fluffing in one machine. With a 1400-watt motor and a 12.5-inch working width, it's perfect for medium-sized areas up to 3,500 square feet. The push-pull design allows for dual action. Pushing the unit forward collects leaves, dirt, and hair, while pulling it backward increases friction to lift flattened turf blades. This function is key in restoring that lush, upright appearance that makes artificial grass look more natural. Another strong feature is the adjustable height comb system, which lets users adapt the brush depth to suit different turf densities and cleaning needs. Whether you're conducting light upkeep or more intensive grooming, this vacuum adjusts accordingly. The included 25-liter collection bag is large enough for most residential cleanups and helps minimize downtime. The Roll Sweeper also includes a patented roller system that provides a consistent lift and combing effect, ensuring thorough grooming as it moves. The ergonomic handle design offers comfort during longer use sessions, while its overall build reflects quality and durability. It's a smart choice for homes with pets, as it effectively picks up fur and small debris while refreshing the turf's texture. Number 3. Comb Artificial Turf Vacuum. The Comb Artificial Turf Vacuum offers a practical and lightweight solution for anyone maintaining smaller synthetic lawns or pet zones. With a simple but effective design, this artificial grass sweeper removes debris like leaves, pet hair, and dirt, while revitalizing the turf by lifting and fluffing the grass blades. What makes it particularly efficient is its dual-direction cleaning system. Pushing forward collects debris, while pulling backward increases friction and lifts matted turf fibers. This two-step method results in a cleaner and more natural-looking artificial grass lawn. It weighs just 10.6 pounds, making it extremely maneuverable and ideal for tight spaces or regular light use. The comb vacuum is powered by a 300-watt motor, which, while not as strong as higher-end models, is sufficient for lawns up to 750 square feet. Its 16-inch working width is generous for its size and helps speed up cleaning without missing edges or corners. The ergonomic handle adds to the comfort during operation, and the patented roller broom system effectively performs sweeping, brushing, and collecting tasks all at once. Despite its lower wattage, this model stands out for its portability, ease of use, and solid results on smaller synthetic turf areas. It's especially useful for pet owners dealing with fur accumulation or households with frequent light debris. The included collection bag handles moderate debris volumes, although frequent emptying might be needed for larger messes. As a member of the Roll and Comb product family, the sweeper benefits from thoughtful engineering and durable construction tailored specifically for artificial lawns.
Number 4. Living Green Sweep Vac. The Living Green Sweep Vac is an innovative, compact 3-in-1 solution designed specifically for small yards and artificial turf maintenance. Combining a vacuum, blower, and mulcher into one device, it offers exceptional convenience for homeowners who want to keep their synthetic lawns and surrounding spaces clear of debris without using multiple tools. This unit stands out for its ability to switch easily between vacuum and blower modes on the go, allowing users to adapt quickly to changing cleanup needs. Whether you're blowing leaves off a driveway or vacuuming up grass clippings and pet hair from your turf, the Sweep Vac does the job efficiently. It's particularly effective for spaces up to 1,500 square feet, making it ideal for small to medium residential areas. The built-in mulcher is another strong feature, reducing collected debris at a 10-to-1 ratio and storing it in a spacious 45-liter canvas bag. This not only minimizes the frequency of emptying, but also makes cleanup and disposal more manageable. While it's not suitable for heavy-duty jobs like picking up acorns or large pine cones, it excels at handling everyday maintenance and keeping artificial grass areas fresh and tidy. Its multi-surface capability also lets it tackle driveways, patios, and paths with ease. With its walk-behind design, users can cover ground quickly without bending or straining. The secure zip on the collection bag ensures debris is contained until you're ready to dispose of it. Number 5. Swipesmith Artificial Turf Vacuum. The Swipesmith Artificial Turf Vacuum offers a professional-grade cleaning experience for synthetic grass maintenance, combining convenience, power, and thoughtful design in one efficient unit. Its 12-gallon removable collection bag eliminates the need for manual raking by automatically collecting leaves, dust, and debris during cleaning. This makes it an excellent choice for both routine and deep cleaning tasks. One of the standout features is its 5-position height adjustment, which lets you control the brush depth from negative 0.47 inches to plus 0.24 inches, tailoring the sweep to match different turf types or conditions. Whether you're blowing leaves off a driveway or vacuuming up grass clippings and pet hair from your turf, the Sweep Vac does the job efficiently. It's particularly effective for spaces up to 1,500 square feet, making it ideal for small to medium residential areas. This not only minimizes the frequency of emptying, but also makes cleanup and disposal more manageable. While it's not suitable for heavy-duty jobs like picking up acorns or large pine cones, it excels at handling everyday maintenance and keeping artificial grass areas fresh and tidy. Its multi-surface capability also lets it tackle driveways, patios, and paths with ease. With its walk-behind design, users can cover ground quickly without bending or straining. The secure zip on the collection bag ensures debris is contained until you're ready to dispose of it. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.